Hey guys, welcome to BannerBoo, and today we're going to talk about how to export GIFs using BannerBoo. So first, a little explanation. The GIF color palette has a limit of 256 colors, so whatever image you download and no matter the amount of colors, GIF converts it to 256. GIF format can contain fewer colors but not more than 256. Differences in formats can be seen in this example. For GIF formats, it's better to use vector illustrations and text rather than raster images. Vector illustrations look sharper and raster images display some color distortion. For a GIF, the fewer colors you have, the lighter the file. You can choose your brand color palette and work with it. Avoid photographs, gradients, and shadows as much as possible. Also, the weight of the file depends on the size of the image. As a result, the larger and more detailed an image is, the heavier it is. The number of frames when exporting a GIF also plays a key role in its size. If it's simple, has less frames, it will have a lesser size. Try to use as few frames as possible. You can also sacrifice image quality when exporting a file. For example, when exported at 75% instead of 100%, changes are most often not visible to the eye, but it significantly reduces the size of the GIF. Focus on what's really important. When creating GIF animations, you may be tempted to add a lot of elements to please the viewers. However, do not add to the banner many arrows, pop-up tags, or similar elements. You not only increase the weight of the file, but also you can confuse the viewer. Your advertisement should not look like a catalog of sentences. It must be branded and just in several frames. Tell the customers what your banner or ad is about. Focus on really important elements and remember, your time and size are limited. Now let's see how to export GIF files from BannerBoo. As you can see, we have an animated vector illustration. To export it, press the Publish button, which is in the top right corner. Select Convert to Smooth GIF. In the pop-up window, we see many options. The loop option lets us choose how many times the animation plays, from 1 to 1000. 0 makes the animation infinite. The next value is the number of frames. You can put from 2 to 30 frames. In this case, we will put 10 because the animation is simple. The next value is responsible for the quality of the animation. In the drop-down window, we see several values. We will choose 75% quality because the difference with 100% will not be visible. In the next field, you can specify the file size you want. In this case, the number of frames and the quality of the image will be determined automatically. Now, click Confirm and wait while the system generates our GIF file. So we're done. Let's open our file. Excellent. Now let's see how to make a GIF using simple frames. Let's take, for example, this ad. To select the right frames, you must create keyframes on the timeline. Keyframes are created just by double-clicking, and that's all. After we've selected the keyframes, we need to click on the Publish button on the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down window, click Convert to GIF. Excellent! Now let's take a look at the results. And that's it! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the post notifications, and stay tuned for our next video.